Just bought an HP DeskJet 4155e? Here's the fastest way to set it up at home. First, remove every tape, sticker, and protective material from the printer. Now connect the power cable and press the power button. Open the ink access door and install both the black and color cartridges until they click. Next, load plain paper into the input tray. Download the HP Smart app, tap Add Printer, and connect your HP DeskJet 4155e to Wi-Fi. After setup, scan the alignment page to finish installation. And that's it! Your HP DeskJet 4155e is ready to print.
If you need any help regarding printer, please call Help Desk 1-844-334-2929.